Morning, America, and everybody else watching. Anyway, we're going to let you know Mr. Pheasant came back, and I'm going to let you view him for a little bit while I get some other chores done, and then I'll come back and talk to you some more. Mr. Pheasant, I'm just going to go let the chickens out. It's okay, Mr. Pheasant. He's kind of curious and kind of doesn't want to leave the feeder, but how are you, Mr. Pheasant? I'm going to just go past him here. I don't make no sudden moves at him. Let him be. Let him get some food. Alright. He's happy and content. That's what we want. Just let him eat. Anyway, I'm back, and figured to let you know that I had to take my sister to the airport. She's been here since my brother died about 2 weeks ago. So took her back to the airport, and we'll figured I'd talk to you about nature today. I was talking to my mother while I was waiting for my sister to get ready, and talking to her about some things I read online and seen in videos and that, and that's not to let birds and wildlife around your chickens because of diseases. She's 86 years old, so I figured, well, she could tell me some stories. And anyway, she went on to say that when she was a kid, my grandma and grandpa used to have chickens around their homestead, and anyway, the birds did come in and eat right along with the chickens, and once in a while a hawk could take off with a chicken and that, you know. Nature was nature. So I think we ought to let nature work together. What do you think? Anyway, that's the way it is. Nature works together on its own. So I think we ought to just stick with what nature had intended. So this summer, once I can get up and here and outside and do something, and then I'm gonna put up some bluebird boxes and stuff like that. A couple more feeders. Help nature out a little. I want to try to make this place as nature as possible. So make sure you like and subscribe and leave your comments, and also, if you want, come and join our group on Eastern Idaho Chickens on Facebook. Put your opinions there and everything else. And I hope you enjoy and follow us on our journey. Thanks for watching.